everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I have already opened it. Now simply click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. What you have to do is find the option for settings. Once you find it, simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the Chrome settings interface. At left you'll be able to find several options over here. Out of these options, what you have to do is find the option for privacy and security and click on it. Now you'll be led to the privacy and security interface. You'll be able to find several options related to privacy and security over here. In this section for privacy and security, you'll be able to find the option for site settings. So simply click on it. Now you'll be led to the site settings interface. You'll be able to find the options related with site settings over here. Simply scroll down. Now in the section for content, at last you'll be able to find the option for pop-ups and redirects. So simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the pop-ups and redirects interface. You'll be able to find several options over here. Over here you'll be able to find the section for default behavior. You'll be able to find two options. Sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Right now the second option is selected. So if you want to disable the pop-up blocker, simply click on the first option, that is sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. Now once you do that, what you have to do is go back. The changes will be saved. So like this, you'll be able to disable the pop-up blocker. So that is how you disable pop-up blocker in Google Chrome. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.